Welcome back. Here we are in our maintenance, our turf care series. I'm here with Cody, our superintendent of Springbank Links. If you remember from the last episode, we talked about the greens and what it takes to come out of the winter. We're going to continue and follow up with some additional challenges we have in Calgary for golf courses coming out of the winter. Here we are with what we call a glacier. Cody, we've had this problem in the past, but have we had it this big before?
This is the biggest I've seen it, and I'd say we've lost a lot of volume here already.
So how thick would it have been? Like what would have been?
I think we were up to here for sure.
At least 3 feet?
Yeah,
wow.
Easy, yeah.
Wow. And why this is a problem for us, if I understand, I mean, in the past we've had this problem,
yeah.
But we're trying to get this 9 holes of golf open, and when you've got a glacier going through part of the cart path, trying to get from one hole to the next or one area to the next, pretty much impossible to open this 9 golf holes, right?
That's right. It affects the whole flow here. It takes out, although it's only right here, it takes out a couple holes of play.
Right.
And then in order to use it, I'd have to be getting people out on the fairways, damaging grass early in the season. So yeah, it definitely holds us back from getting right out of the gates with the all 18.
Exactly. So we have been talking about a solution. What do you think the best solution is, and how do we eliminate this so that we can, I mean, maybe this might save us a week, maybe even longer, of getting open that much quicker.
Absolutely. It's we've toyed with the idea of having a bridge here.
Right.
And with the bridge, it would give us the opportunity to just bring it across, not be affected by this in the spring at all. And then we can even potentially dam it and then just encourage water flow all season long by freezing the top and just having the bottom open. That way it's never this big of a problem again.
Okay. And is there actually water flow all year, or is it just early in the year, or what does it look like in this environment?
It's all year for sure. It's always flowing here. It's this feeds all the way to the back 9 of our golf course and then just collects from this entire area.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
These are the types of things that people don't really recognize as being a problem on a golf course that you're continually thinking about and having to deal with in order to even get this entire 9 holes open. Super interesting, fascinating. Truly does look like a glacier.
It does.
It really does. It's fascinating.
Yeah.
And this doubles actually as a track for us for cross-country skiing in the winter as well, right?
That's right.
All the way up through this valley as well.
Yeah, we come through this valley and then we go along our 6th fairway and then we take the next valley all the way back up.
Right on. There you have it. Not sure anybody else you've ever been to or any other golf course you've ever been to has a glacier. But at Springbank Links, we're dealing with glaciers. If you know of another golf course that has a glacier, let me know, because I want to go up and play golf on the glacier. Hope you enjoyed this real short video. Just one of those extra challenges that we have. We will be building this bridge. Cody, I'm gonna give you the go ahead to get that done. I'm gonna talk to Kevin about it because we gotta get this golf course open. Of course, continue to watch these series if you're enjoying the maintenance turf care series. A lot of fun for me. I learn a ton with them. If you've got ideas, let me know in the comments below what you would be interested in learning. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Well over 90% of you that are gonna watch this video aren't subscribed. I really appreciate it. Hit that like button, that notification bell. We'll see you next time.